Right, so everybody, about a year and a half ago, we coated one of our clients' trucks with ceramic pro gold. He's already had it reloaded, and about 5 months have passed now. So what I'm going to do is, I just picked it up because we're doing a maintenance on it today, and I mean, it's dirty. It's got a couple water stains and stuff on it, but let me just show you what ceramic pro gold will still do for you a year and a half later. Just like the first day he got it. And that's on every substrate. We haven't even cleaned this yet, and this is what it's doing.